Okay, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set your aspect ratio on your DSTV Explora Decoder. So aspect ratio is all about the screen size. So all you get to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the blue button, which is the DSTV logo, and it's going to take you to the menu. And when you come here, look for settings. So use the arrow left and right keys on your remote to look for settings. So when you find settings, you come to the first option, that's the user preferences, and you press OK on it. And you come to the right side of that menu, we have another menu over there. You come to the second option, that's the video and audio. You press OK on it. And when you come here, come down, look through the list, you're going to find that there is an aspect ratio. Alright, so with aspect ratio, we have different options that you can actually change it to fit your TV screen or your preferred screen size. So you can change it to crop, stretch, zoom, pillar box, and then letterbox. And after changing it, all you got to do is to press on the exit button and it's gonna save automatically and you are done with it. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.